Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Tom Whalen at WFRE, and I'm here with Anthony. Anthony, what's your last name?
Dove.
Dove. But we're going Dove?
Yes.
Wow, already we got the love vibe working here. Anthony is our bachelor, picked by all of our listeners online, our lucky man. Now, either way, Anthony, you're going to be having a good time, and you're going to go to Vegas.
Yep.
But here we are. This is before the bachelorettes come in. 25 ladies. I would not want to be in your shoes right now.
Why is that?
Because I just love women. I'm intimidated by them, and it's going to be a hard job. This is going to be a tough task. But you seem pretty confident about this.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I was real nervous at the first interview that I had, but now I'm a little more calm.
You're calmed down a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
But it's Valentine's Day, man. Love is in the air. All these women are going to be looking at you. That is why I would be extremely nervous. But you feel you're up to the task.
Yes, sir.
And what are you going to do with each one of these women tonight? What are you going to ask each one? Because you're only going to have a little bit of time with each one.
I'm just going to have to ask them what kind of stuff they like. I'll just think about it once.
Activities,
yeah.
What do you like to do?
Pretty much.
Well, I wish you all the luck in the world.
Thank you, sir.
It's all going to start here real soon. But you seem like a good guy, and you seem like you're ready to go. Got plenty of confidence. Happy Valentine's Day. Maybe this will work out into something where next Valentine's Day will be a special day. Sweetie, thank you so much. This is Anthony, our Frederick Bachelor. Let's have Jessica. Happy Valentine's Day, Jessica. Thank you so much for signing up for this. It's going to be a great time. You guys are all great sports. Jessica, meet Anthony. Let's have Donna come in. Happy Valentine's Day to you, Donna. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Oh, fans in the house. Donna, this is Anthony. Ashley P. Got a couple of Ashleys looking for Ashley P. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetheart. You all look great. You all look great. Uh-oh, some fans here. Ashley, Anthony. Let's have Chrissy. Hey, Chrissy. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Got a Valentine red on. Good mood. Chrissy, this is Anthony.
Nice to meet you.
Joy, come on in. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Joy, this is our Frederick Bachelor, Anthony. Tina, come on in, sweetie. Happy Valentine's Day, Tina. Got a red on. That's rocking. Thanks for signing up, Tina.
Hi there.
Meet Anthony. I'm glad that is not me. Ashley S., are you here? Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. This is our Frederick Bachelor, Anthony.
Nice to meet you.
Caitlin, come on in, honey. Happy Valentine's Day to you, Caitlin. You look very nice. Meet Anthony. Anthony, do you recognize any of these girls right off the bat?
Not yet.
No, you're okay. You haven't met any. Catherine, come on in. Happy Valentine's Day, Catherine. Thank everybody for coming out and supporting these young ladies. This is Anthony. Carmen. You look very nice, Carmen. That's a lovely dress. Happy Valentine's Day. So, Frederick Bachelor, Anthony, Carmen. Brittany. Brittany, did I say that right? Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Thanks for signing up. Thanks for coming out. This is our Frederick Bachelor, Anthony. Okay, Amy. All right, they're lined up perfect. Happy Valentine's Day, Amy. Thanks for signing up. This is Anthony, our Frederick Bachelor. Sherry. Oh. Sherry, got some people in the house. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. You look nice. This is our Frederick Bachelor, Anthony, and Lauren. Lauren, happy Valentine's Day, dear. All right, this is why I'm glad it's not me. Because right off the bat on this one, you have just met these ladies. You got to smile, you got to hug, you got to introduce to them. You're going to have to come up with a rose and give one of these ladies an immunity rose. Later on tonight, at the end of the night, there'll be 15 people moving on, 15 young ladies moving on to our next date. And so, tick-tock, tick-tock. All these ladies are ready to meet you and talk to you, give you your best shot. They want to get to know you. They want you to get to know them because you got to make all the tough decisions later on.
Here we go. Let's see. Man, this is tough. We accept this.
Happy Valentine's Day. Hey, I don't have her name. What's her name?
Lauren.
Lauren.